Hello, so this will be a quick introduction to x64dbg and cracking. Um, Say we got Fortnite keys from our friend, however, we don't have a license to access them, and we want to bypass this license system. So these are some so-called Fortnite cheats. This is a demo, of course. Let's see what happens when we run this. Say 1, 2, 3. Oh, it failed, doesn't work, and we're sad because we can't cheat on Fortnite. Now, what we can do is take a look at this file with detect.exe, which is a static analyzer for your exes, and as we can see here, this has no protection, of course, and it's 64-bit. So this will be pretty easy to crack. So let's open up our xdebug, open x64 because it's x64, and let's load it into our x64 debug. Alright, so we already know it's a console-based application. As we saw here, we get auth failed, right? Let's try to find auth failed here. So this is an assembly code. If you don't know what's assembly code, I'd prefer you to click off this video because I expect you to at least know that. So this is an assembly code of the program. It contains instructions that the program should execute. So let's find a string reference, right? As you can see, we got this auth failed string, and let's jump to it. Alright, so this is auth failed. Let's see what we have as well. Okay, we have logged in. So we know that this is a success message, right? Let's make it so this auth failed actually redirects us to this logged in. So this is pretty easy. If you've ever learned C, you'd know of memory addresses. So what we are going to do is replace a memory address of logged in into auth failed. So how are we going to do this? Let's select the logged in, do copy and copy memory address. And let's just change the assembly instruction here. We do that by just clicking space. And let's replace this with a jump instructions, which tells the application to jump to another memory address. You need to do 0x because it's a memory address format, and you're just going to paste this. And as you can see, something changed here, so jumps changed. And pretty much what we've done is we've redirected the auth failed to logged in. So now we can save this as a new exe by patching the file, say patch file. Let's go into the desktop and say cracked.exe. You need to have the exe, of course. And as you can see, 2 patches applied. Let's close the debugger now. Like that. And we got these cracked. Let's see. Crack.exe. So this is the same cheat. Let's do 1, 2, 3. And wow, we logged in. We can now cheat on Fortnite. So this is pretty much a basic demo. And it's not gonna work on like 50 or at least 90% of the files, and you won't actually crack real cheats. If this video reaches like 300 views, I might do some other advanced techniques. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and goodbye.